If your J5Create JCD553 triple display docking station or J5Create JCD584 USB-C triple display dock isn't working correctly, you might notice issues like monitors not being detected, charging problems, or unstable USB connections. These docking stations rely on USB-C DisplayPort alt mode and proper driver support to deliver video output and power to your laptop. When drivers are outdated, the wrong cable is used, or USB-C power delivery isn't supported, the dock may fail to operate properly. Fortunately, most problems can be fixed by checking cables, reinstalling drivers, and resetting the dock. Step 1. Make sure your laptop supports USB-C DisplayPort alt mode and use a USB-C cable rated for 100W power delivery. Step 2. Disconnect all cables from the dock, wait about 30 seconds, then reconnect everything to reset the dock. Step 3. Download and install the latest drivers from the official J5Create website for your operating system. Step 4. Update the dock firmware using the J5Create companion app and restart your computer. Step 5. If monitors still aren't detected, check BIOS settings for USB-C display support or roll back graphics drivers after recent system updates.